in a wastebasket. Both fires will develop equally. It may seem slow as you watch, but imagine if you were asleep in another room, outside, or away from home. Heat, gas, and smoke will soon start to build at the ceiling. You will see as time passes through the video how these dangerous elements will bank down and fill the room. This is why it is so important to stay low when escaping from a fire. Coming up at 35 seconds, the smoke alarm will sound. Like in this demonstration, this is the earliest someone would likely call 911 and the fire department could respond. While a municipal fire department will often arrive within 4 to 6 minutes, rural and volunteer departments can take longer. Unlike sprinklers, these smoke alarms give an early warning but do nothing to control the fire. In the right frame, you will see a firefighter step in, but keep your eyes on the left frame. Approaching 1 minute, 10 seconds, you will see a single sprinkler head activated by heat start controlling the fire. In reality, the fire department would not arrive at this home for another 4 minutes. When he arrives, he will have to duck to protect himself against the intense 800-degree heat, even in his protective gear. The single sprinkler head activation in the left frame is suppressed in this fire, thus limiting the noxious gases. In the right frame, you can see that the couch and the floor have become so hot that they are off-gassing. This means the materials are emitting toxic combustible gases getting ready to ignite. With no sprinkler installed and the fire department still rushing to the scene, the fire in the right frame is spreading rapidly, and you can see the smoke and combustible gases getting thicker at the ceiling and building towards the floor. The room will be completely black despite the intense flames in little more than 2 minutes from when the fire began. The blinding, poisonous smoke is now at floor level in the home on the right. No one in this home would survive the toxicity of the smoke or the heat of the fire. Unfortunately, most fire departments would still be en route to this fire. The home on the left, saved by